To get Bookmap on Thinkorswim, you first need to understand what Bookmap is and how it can enhance your trading experience. Bookmap is a trading platform add-on that provides advanced order flow analysis and visualization tools, helping you make more informed trading decisions. Step 1 is to ensure you have a Thinkorswim account. If you do not have one, you will need to sign up for a TD Ameritrade account, as Thinkorswim is their trading platform. Once you have your account, log into the Thinkorswim platform. Next, you need to download and install the Bookmap software from the official Bookmap website. The website will guide you through the installation process, which typically involves downloading the software and following the on-screen instructions to install it on your computer. After installing Bookmap, you will need to connect it to your Thinkorswim account. To do this, open Bookmap and navigate to the Settings or Connections menu, where you will find the option to connect to Thinkorswim. You will need to enter your Thinkorswim login credentials to establish the connection. Once Bookmap is connected to your Thinkorswim account, you can start using its features to analyze and visualize order flow. Bookmap provides a range of tools, including heat maps, order flow charts, and other visualization tools, to help you understand market dynamics and make more informed trading decisions. To get the most out of Bookmap on Thinkorswim, it is essential to understand the different features and tools it provides. Bookmap offers a range of educational resources, including tutorials and webinars, to help you learn how to use its tools effectively. Best practices for using Bookmap on Thinkorswim include starting with the basic features and gradually moving on to more advanced tools as you become more comfortable with the platform. It is also essential to combine Bookmap with other trading tools and strategies to create a comprehensive trading plan. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Bookmap on Thinkorswim to enhance your trading experience and make more informed trading decisions. Remember to always stay up to date with the latest features and updates from Bookmap and Thinkorswim to ensure you are getting the most out of the platform.